just came CPI. CPI came, gold came upside, currencies came upside. Are you in trade? No, brother, I'm not trade. I'm in trade. I'm scared. So finally CPI news has came. Finally CPI news has came. Okay. After a long time, the CPI NFP news was getting what? Postponed, cancelled because the US government shut down. Now it is on and the news came. The news came bad for the dollar and gold came upside, currencies came upside, dollar went downside. So still the downside confirmation is not done. Once the confirmation is done, then we will do a sell. Yeah, market is dancing near the support area. Market is dancing near the support area, guys. Okay. If this 4-hour closed at this area, then no downside, further upside. If this 4-hour closed around these areas, market will be bullish, not be bearish. Yeah, because I was expecting personally that it will break downside. Yeah, and the huge sell-off will come, but the breakout has not happened. The breakout has not happened. And 15 minutes remains for this 4-hour closing, which is very important closing. Yeah, breakout or reversal. Personally, let me frankly, I'm telling you, I'm scared of the gold. Personally, I'm scared of the gold, guys. So much scared. ABC bro, if gold closes here, then it's not bearish. The downside breakout is not yet done. I was expecting that it will break the area, but till now there is no breakout. There was a news of US CPI that came in favor of against of the dollar, favor of currencies. That's why currencies went upside. Now we have to see the technically, guys. The technically market will break out downside or it will give further upside. Now if it closes around this area, let's assume if it closes this area, then market will go upside again. Better to stay away. Very good, Junaid bro. Personally, I'm from 21 years, I'm scared of the gold. Personally, I'm scared of the gold to taking any positions. The order blocks disrespected, then came down. Finally it has respected the bullish channel so far. But today is a Friday. They will do some drama. US will do some drama. Now this setup I have, let's see it will work or not. The CPI news came after a long time because US government shut down. All the newses were postponed. Now finally the news are coming. Better to big boys, yes. Crypto and currencies are better, yes. Gold is unpredictable, guys, nowadays. Unpredictable. Group member needs gold, but gold doesn't need them. People needs a trade in gold, but gold is so much difficult. Gold is the only product to damage your accounts, guys. Believe me, that will damage your account. I was expecting that if today the breakout is done, then 37 will come. 3700 will come. That was my prediction. I was given the group also. But if the breakout is done, see, we see things technically, no emotions, nothing else. It is going upside, it is going downside, only technicals. It is working, it is not working, but it's still technicals. Right now, see, in the morning we identified the order block area taken. Now that was the breakout area. It came, made a new low also, again came up because of the news CPI. So it is very complicated, so much complicated, guys. Yeah. Personally, I'm not taking any position in gold. I'm not taking any positions in gold, guys. Yeah. We see things only by technicals, nothing else. It is dancing, but I know that if the level is broken, then it will be a disaster for downside. Now again, which area it is? This area is a breaker block area, 82 to 4110, and exactly the same area was a bullish order block in the morning. If you remember, 4110, 82. Now the once that is being breakout, the same will be your resistance. That's it. Now I'm watching on a cryptos also. Yeah. See, market is dancing, everything is dancing, but still we have to follow only technicals. Something wrong with your TikTok. Why? What happened again? Ziza, it's not something, everything is wrong. But TikTok is so much sensitive nowadays, so I have to take care of it a lot. But seems like I'm smelling like the big sell-off will come. Still the technical is, you are not moving. Okay, it's not about TikTok, it's the game. Yeah, I will change the game. The way the last candle has closed, that was too much, without any news, without anything. Now, personally, I'm not taking any positions, guys. Let me tell you, I'm scared of the gold. Especially, I love to trade on Bitcoin, on currencies, but gold, nah. Still, for me, it's not safe. It's not safe, guys. And today is a Friday. Market will fry everyone. Be careful, be careful. Otyam bro, hello. Now I'm moving, yeah. That was not the TikTok issue, that was my issue. Again, I'm telling guys, this is the setup. It's good, it's bad. Still, that is not confirmed because downside is not broken. Secondly, I'm not taking any positions because I love my capital, guys. Right now, the gold is disaster. The way in the morning it came down because of the news. If gold goes upside, I don't know. Waiting for big boys, yes. You are not moving, I'm moving. See this, I'm moving. Wait, I'm moving. There are so many problems with the TikTok, guys. So much sensitive, so much this, so much that. Don't trade today, go out in nature. Yes, Aman Bajwa very nicely said. Because today is Friday, they will surprise you. The big surprise. I was thinking that it will give you the surprise for a downside, but because of the news, crazy move JPY. JPY, yes, Japanese pairs, wow. Watching the gold also, this setup is not mature setup because it has came from the bottom. I was expecting to break down, it went downside in the current candle, new low also, but because of news came upside. I don't like surprises, that's why today I'm out of the market. Very good, nice. Good traders, they will not touch it because the market is not safe. Because if we don't have any trade today, we can do it on Monday if we have a capital. But my problem is different. I have to give you any setup. Sometimes the setup is not mature, sometimes the setup is not good, not high probability, very low probability. Yeah. Just imagine that if I come online and give you the blank chart, so only your account issue. I know someone since long time doing live streaming every day, no issue. Junaid bro, here in Indonesia there is so much problem. Might be in other countries, it is a problem with the countries, yeah. When my account was gone, there I've seen so many accounts who was gone and they were crying. And now, see uh, the support is not a human being, the support is from AI. Artificial intelligence is handling this one. And now it's good. Couple of years back we were not allowed to do uh, TikTok in Indonesia, TikTok on trading. That was not allowed. So yeah, the problem is there. Our problem is not TikTok. Our problem is not tube. Our problem is gold. Our problem is market. Restrictions, restrictions, again restrictions. Patience is everything in this market. Very good. Aman Bajwa seems a very good trader. Because trader has a different mindset. The one who takes position on every price, he is new. He doesn't care about the risk. He needs 30 pips, 50 pips trades. He doesn't need any setups. Use VPN from different countries like Europe, normally no problem. No, there will be some issues. There will be some issues if I use VPN, yeah. Because I have spoken with the experts, they told me don't use the VPN. But our priority is not TikTok. Our priority is this market, this chart, nothing else. If apps ban in country, then VPN is the illegal. Yes. Because experts told me that do not use VPN, so it's not a good choice. But still, I'm trying my best. I'm getting so many problems, but still, yeah. Yanni here took a sell, sir, 100 pips. Wow, good. You, Yanni, you are a good seller, yeah. Secured rest will be touch gold further this trade. Very good. But very good. So the group members, they are using their own mind also, yeah. So that's fine. But I don't trade on every move, yeah, Yani, that's the problem. And when the risk is too high, I don't touch it. Yani, according to our call in the group, same in the group, yeah. Nothing has changed on BTC. I will copy paste the BTC setup, yeah. Four-hour closed, guys, and it's a good closing. It's a strong closing, guys. 4 hour came and it's a strong closing. Yeah. I took the same, all good. Okay, great. Now the big boys will do the drama. Gold 4 hour candle is not bearish, guys. It's a reversal candle for upside. But I will not change the setup. Yeah, said let the setup say it should be same, but I'm updating you, yeah. Because after 30 minutes the big boys will come and we will see. Let's see the big boys. The 4 hour candle closed bullish, nice bullish candle on gold. No confirmation, yes. Anyways, don't trade on gold for a couple of days. Today is a Friday. I will give you the guarantee they will do some drama. The US session, the big boys will come, they will do a drama. Big upside or big downside, they will do some drama. Now the 4-hour candle is not bearish, it's a fully reversal candle for upside. But let the setup should be there. I'm not changing the setup, right? I'm not changing the setup right now. Prince Danny, the confirmation, the last 4-hour candle is a bullish candle. It's not a bearish candle, yeah? Very strong bullish candle. The last 4-hour candle is very strong bullish candle, guys. But wait for the US session. The big boys will come after 30 minutes. I'm not changing the setup, but I'm updating, yeah. You still betting? Yeah. Personally, I mean, again, I'm telling you, I'm not interested to take a position in gold because I can only predict gold by technicals. Technicals is dancing. Technical is dancing, guys, yeah. Azizi bro says, teacher, you said the 4-hour candle is bullish, then why don't you issue the buy signal? Still waiting. I said that not in favor of trade in gold. Big boys will change it. Technical is less effective nowadays in gold. It's dancing. In a discussion group, yeah. People needs a trade every time. Every time. Big boys will come. Again, I'm telling you, the last 4-hour candle is a bullish candle, yeah. It's so much bullish candle. I just want to see the big boys. Big boys will come and will change everything, guys. Thank you. Last 4-hour candle is not a bearish closing, it's a bullish closing, guys, yeah. Friday and big boys will stir up things, yes. Big boys will do drama, guys. Drama, 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 drama. 99, look at this, guys. Look at the market. 4100. 4100. So personally, again, I'm not in favor to trade in gold, yeah, not at all, because look at the market, guys. Wow. Looks like the last 4 hour candle is a train, guys. Train on the charge. Just waiting for big boys, yeah. Believe me, I was that much decided for the from the gold, the technicals. I was not interested to come online also, because if I come, people will ask buy or sell, and personally, if I'm not interested to trade in gold, how can I suggest anyone else? Now this move, gold back to his old trend. Yes, that's why I've said that gold has not broken the downside. Yeah, the downside is not broken. I was keep updating in group also. Yes, bro. Yes, what? Q Life Fiju. Not changing the area, just only watching, guys. Yeah, last 4 hour candle is a bullish candle of 4 hour, but waiting for a US session. Now you guys will think also, in group members also. Salam, bro. Ali Khan, it's not about my interest, yes or not. It's about market condition. If the market condition is not good, so it will be risky. Yani did a buy, very good. Market condition is not good, guys. Less respecting the technicals, more moving on the problem of China and America, guys. This is the war between China and America. That's why gold is affecting. It's being affected, yeah. When there will be a time, we will do trades, guys. Currencies and cryptos are much better choice nowadays, yeah. So much complicated, so much complicated. We are technicals, guys. Ali, we are not a magician, yeah. and this week was one of the toughest week in gold. If you are new, if you are old, experienced, you know this. But if you are new, that it will be a lifetime experience for you. Now look at this, how gold is flying now after 4 hour closing. Nah. Ali says just buy. Good afternoon, bro. So again, guys, for newcomers, we are doing nothing, just waiting for a US session to be open for a big boys, yeah. Toto, we are doing nothing. When the 4 hour closed, at that time we have discussed the candle came bullish, not bearish, yeah. Still at that time I said that we will not change this one, let it be there, wait for the US session. G bro, we are not trading, we are just watching. The newcomer who has just joined our TikTok, stay calm. We don't have many positions, stay calm. You better sell low and buy high. Ali bro, it's a TikTok, so many people will come. They are new, just sweep left, sweep right, nothing else. Waiting for big boys only, guys. Muhammad says, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam. In our country, TikTok cannot be logged in, so I am missing your live cast on in YouTube. Okay, brother, walaikum salam. Okay. So again, guys, the last 4 hour candle is closed bullish, not bearish. Still, we have not changed this one because we are waiting for a big boys. Okay, the US session. That's what any Yani I'm telling everybody, but people wants to still trade in this one. $21, guys. My goodness. The last candle, actually, just like said in group, that last candle is a bullish candle, a reversal candle. The last 4-hour candle at the bottom, which is just started before 18 minutes. Yeah. I love the dancing. Will hit SL. Gulia. We are not in trade. We are waiting for the US session. सेल की ट्रेड ओपन कर सकते हैं? नहीं. No. Just waiting for the US session, guys. Nothing else. Just waiting. Yeah. Let's see the big boys how they will react on this one, because the CPI news came, and after a long time the CPI news came, because there was a US government shutdown. All the news were postponed or cancelled. Right, so this is not a proper setup, as we discussed when the 4-hour candle closed for the newcomers, guys. Yeah. Yasir did a buy, and Spooey bro did a buy. Very good. Nice. I really don't think gold will drop again like this. Let's see the US session. Yeah, because we are not trading. Yeah, we are discussing everything. Yeah, let's see the US session. It's a weekly closing will come. Is there any news today? All important news is done. The CPI was the biggest news. That is done. Couple of more newses we have. Let me see the news. Yeah, we have couple of more newses. New home sales, global services, global manufacturing PMI. These 3 newses are remaining. All are high impact news, guys. So again, guys, for newcomers who came in on TikTok, this is a setup, old setup. The 4-hour close, we discussed that the 4-hour is a bullish closing, and I have not changed the setup. I was watching the New York session, the big boys, how they will react. Need to see this one. Once there is a setup, we will place our stop losses also with our proper entries also. News good for the dollar? Yes, Fazal Khan. The news was good for the dollar and bad for the news good for gold, bad for the dollar. CPI news came bad, 0.2%. Expected was good, and monthly, yearly, all came bad. Okay, but frankly, gold is not following the news. Currencies reacted well, currencies came upside. Vaji bro, it's not a proper setup. I need to change it here. Otherwise, I cannot explain it to everyone. Yeah. We are explaining everything, but still people are asking the same question. Yeah. We need to see the US session. That's why my mind was that one, but I'm changing because I'm scared that someone will come and someone will start selling. Yeah. Now good, good. Nothing. Let me make it blank. Yeah. Here also. On both, I will make it blank. Otherwise, people will ask the same question again and again, and possible someone will take a positions. Yeah. Let the breakout done. So breakout was not done. Yeah. Okay. Now good. Good. Now nobody will ask the question. Okay, now the previous candle of green candle that came from a bullish channel, it was supposed, I was thinking that it will break, but no, it didn't break. And because of the news also, CPI gold came upside and closed a bullish closing. Now still there, the setup was there because Ali bro, because people are asking again same and same question, so it's like we have to watch market also, explaining again and again also. So yeah, I just wanted to see the US market. US market will do some drama because today is a Friday, today is a weekly closing. Especially the next week will be very important, most important, because the next week closing is a monthly closing. Just because people were asking the same question, that was the reason. Yeah. I'll make a box here. Couple of my members, they need a position anytime. Please change your mind. Gold is not like that. Look at the 4-hour candles move upside and downside. First thing, it's not normal move. Second thing, market will give you some surprise. So How many minutes? It's about to start, yeah, within 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes the US session will start. Big boys are coming, guys. I was not I was holding that setup, yeah, to just see the US session, but the question was so much, the stop loss this or that, so that's why I have changed it, yeah. Definitely the big boys will come, they will do some drama. 101% they will do something. And we were in buy of pound and euro USD. ABC Bro says, do you think US session is in sell? Nobody can predict the big boys, right? One thing is sure, they will do against the technicals. They will do things against of the technicals, yeah. Because we follow the technicals, they will do against of it. That's why I was not in favor to remove the previous setup. Just wanted to see the US session, because new people were joining us, they were asking the question. That's why I deleted. Now this box, upside and downside. Upside is 61, downside is in 40s, yeah. Downside 4,005. C Bro says, let's jump on a big boy's shoulder. Big boy's shoulder, they will destroy us. The New York session is started, guys. Now the game changing move will come now. Let me see the 1 hour, guys. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. See the same area taking support, which we were discussing in the morning, yeah. leave it. RK Sawad bro, I don't have any proper setup. Just now the US session has started, wait for it, yeah. Last 4-hour candle has closed bullish, after that it came upside. Was a reversal candle. Just wanted to see the US session, how they will react on this day. And I still believe they will surprise. Muhammad Salim says, hold your seat. It's big boys, yes. Next week again, flash crash, not today, make next week. Not setup can work these days, just risky gambling. Very good, Lily. Nice, very nice, Lily. But very few people can understand this, that yeah, we can only predict market by technicals, and technicals are not working. It's taking the liquidity, it's taking the stop losses, hunting the stop losses. The big boy's name came from beloved KFTrading. Look, only one candle of last 4-hour candle, the bullish candle, the reversal candle, and after that. BTC is doing good. कहाँ गया BTC? BTC is doing good. Riham, no setup. I don't have any setup. Gold setup. I was expecting the downside breakout, but it came a bullish candle and reversal candle. Yeah. Last 4-hour candle. Just closed 36 minutes ago. Now for a couple of new traders, it's a very different thing, that there is no trade. New trader thinks that you can trade every time on gold. They can't believe that if you tell them that, just like people are coming buy and buy, coming and asking that buy or sell. They don't need setups, they just need to instruction. They will go ahead with the buy or sell without any proper money management. And in afternoon, I was thinking that the gold will be dumped today very badly. The gold will be dumped today very badly, but last 4-hour candle came a reversal candle. And this week, guys, if you survived in this week, you are a good trader. You have survived. Many people have not survived in this week. Within 24 hours, Monday, Tuesday, it came down 3,700 pips. Dollar was near the breakout but didn't break the level. US dollar index. Buy and bye bye. There is always tomorrow, guys. Don't worry, new traders. If there is no setup, there is always tomorrow. Being a trader, your capital is everything. You will understand this after so many years. Control yourself, control your emotions. In gold, it's not safe to trade. The market is so much volatile. Okay, in morning the Tokyo session is doing something else. The US session, the big boys are coming, they are doing differently. So control yourself. It's a learning period for everyone, guys. That's why that time I was not interested to remove the previous setup. Just wanted to see the US session. Now look at this. These guys are a disaster, big boys, yeah? Because from 82 till 4110, that was the breaker block area. That's why I was not removing it, but there was so many questions on TikTok. Can I buy? Can I do this? Can I do that? That's why I have removed. Today also it was a 800 pips move, guys, yeah? At least 800 pips. Now how much is remaining, nobody knows. Look at the move. That's why I was not removing my setup. I was just wanted to see the New York session. Is very hard. I'm not interested to trade in gold also. There is no proper setup also, but I have to present myself in front of you. I'm very in hard positions. So hopefully my group members, they will understand, yeah. The setup has been given on cryptos, BTC, Sol, Ethereum, XRP, Euro, Pound, but not in gold. because this, I think it's not safe to trade in gold, but most of the members, they need to trade in gold. Now it's very hard for me to explain the things, yeah, but don't worry, the bad days will go on. The thing is, you have a capital. To save your capital, most of the traders are prop firm traders. Your account is safe. There is always tomorrow. Market will be cooled down again. Interactive Stone says buy and bye bye. Look at this, 98. Can you believe this? Tokyo session mood is different. Aqua says terima kasih KF. Bye bye bye. Makanya kalau nggak ada setup, tunggu aja gitu. Banyak orang udah pindah dari mana, dari gold ke crypto, ke currencies. We have couple of top shop, we have couple of newses also. Couple of newses, but the big news was CPI news. But believe me, this, let me tell you the secret that the US session is doing against of the technicals. US session is doing against of the technicals. They are taking buyers, they are taking sellers. Yani, I was not, that's why I have said that time that I'm not interested to trade, but the setup is there. I was just waiting for the big boys. Look how beautifully we traded on BTC. Now BTC is coming down nicely, and it was at the peak time when I said that yeah, I stay with the setup on a sell, right? Currencies are doing great, cryptos are doing great, gold is dancing. The problem is gold, and people love to trade in gold. I pray BTC dumped and never look back. Sunday bro, very good. Sunday bro did a sell on crypto, nice. If we have money, we can do next week also. Very good, Pawan bro, very nice. So very good, very nice, good mindset, yeah. Trading is about mindset, guys. If you have a mindset, good mindset, you can stay. Otherwise, the new traders, they want to trade on every positions. The market condition is good, market condition is bad, they need a positions, they need a trade. And the good thing is what? They don't want to place a stop loss also. Now for me, group members, please try to understand, it's very hard when there is no setup. The setup, we have to see the market conditions also. In this big move, it's very hard to do your analysis or to trade. BTC doing good. I took bigger lot on sell and one small buy on the retest, both profit, good. That's why many new members, we got new members, they just turned from gold to BTC and currencies. Not only BTC, but Sol is doing great, Ethereum is doing great, XRP is doing great. But people are crazy about only gold. They need a gold, 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 gold. And this was a life experience for every new traders, guys. Today I have shown one video also in group that there was a guy, he did a buy on gold. Within a second, $1,000 is gone. Within a second. He just bought and saw the PNL, there was nil. Everything was gone. So that's gold for you, yeah. What about my CPU? CPU, why CPU? What happened to the CPU? Oh God, God. What's wrong when you buy, market sells, and when you sell, market sells? So that's good thing that when I sell, market sells. KF Bitcoin doing well? Yes, Bitcoin is doing well. Bitcoin is fine. We did a sell, and the sell was good. All good, yeah. Oh God, God, gold, gold, US, US, US. US session, guys. Again, the news, guys. This was a news time. Let me see the news. Okay, we had a couple of newses here at this time now. 8:45 done, 9 done. New home sales. Okay, the first news came good for the dollar. Now the second news, new home sales is still not out. Let me see. News is coming, guys. Surprisingly, now the market is moving on the news. When the news was bad, gold went upside. When the news came good, gold came down. Now again the news is coming. This time, let's see. New home sales still not updated, guys. Why? Hello, good, perfect stranger, bro. How are you? Let me see the chart. What chart is telling you? Chart is still strong. Gold chart is still strong. Perfect stranger says it's a Friday. Yes, it is. Still bullish. There is no sign of bearish. Yeah. Technically, gold is still bullish. Still bullish, guys. No signs of bearish. Now this is a weekly closing. Sorry, weekly chart. Monday will be decided by the weekly closing, yeah. But so far there is no sign of bearish, yeah. 1 hour also is still bullish. Yeah, still bullish. No sign of bearish, guys. Upside, 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 only upside. Gold is bullish, yes. Technically, yes. Technically, yes, but technical is not working nowadays. Technically, it's not working because when the US session is starting, everything is changing. I hold till 41.40. Okay, good. Nice. Gold is going up. My analysis is similar like yours. 4-hour candle bounce from daily and mid band. Yes, that 4-hour candle at that time, once it closed, we said that that is a reversal candle. Yeah, reversal candle, candle, candle. Now it's the third day that US is not selling. It's the third day, yeah. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday they avoided sell, but today there was a big sell on a UK session on gold. Okay, the home sales news is postponed. There was a home sales, existing home sales that has been postponed, guys. Disappear from the candle calendar, yeah. Twenty 2021. Look how fastly gold is moving, guys. 27. Ooh, ooh. 30. $35. I enjoy today. Very good. Nice, 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 nice. Because I see your last learning video, that's why I good profit today. Okay, good, Yasir bro. Oh, Yasir bro. Oh, Yasir, Yasir. The order block. OB, OB, OB. And the last candle, just like we discussed on 4 hour, that was the reversal candle, yeah, last 4 hour candle. I was expecting that it will break, but nah. It went downside, came up with the upside confirmation. Bro, let gold go to the moon, say goodbye from the earth before it leaves us broke. It's okay, it's okay. Look at the BTC Junaid bro. How beautiful profit is there. Look at this. BTC. If gold does not have any opportunity, currencies have. BTC have. Look at the BTC. How much it came down from top. So you will get opportunity. Doesn't matter. Couple of members are new, so they are avoiding or still not confident with BTC, but they will get, yeah. Still the night is young. Still I took the setup morning. We got the SL, but trend was not broken. Is it to buy with more around? Okay, good. BTC traders will love it, yeah, at this time. Let it go. Junaid bro, if it is going to the moon, let it go, yeah. We will send some astronaut to the moon. but the last 4 hour candle was, that's why the confirmation candle is very important. That was the confirmation, and look at this after the next candle. All the way, all the day it was down. Once the confirmation candle came, never went downside. After that it came 500 pips from 79 to 35. So crypto traders are loving it now, yeah. Just loving it. Don't worry, we will send some astronaut to the moon, yeah, and we'll tell them to bring the gold downside again. $10,000 on BTC also broken, guys. 110,000 broken also. So what else you need? UK bro says, is there any position on buy gold? Not yet. Hi brother, today I didn't trade, confused. Very good. Didn't trade. Very good. Confused. It's okay to be confused, because market job is to make you confused, especially in gold. If you did on cryptos, wonderful. Currencies was wonderful. Look at the BTC. You people are loving gold. Look at the BTC. Good BTC, I love you. From 11,800 to 9,700. Good. At least, yeah. That's why most of the traders they turn from gold. Sometimes now this week the gold was a disaster. It was fully disaster. Buying, selling, selling, buying, having a slap only, believe me. Keep calm day, guys. Unfortunately, on gold today we couldn't have a good opportunity. Yeah, even there was a buy confirmations also, but I was waiting for a US session. In US session, same like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, same. It was cool and calm. There was no panic selling. Unlike Monday and Tuesday, you sell off from the New York session. No more news, see bro. Yes, no more news. Azizi says Trump uncle next one long. Diego bro says now will go up to end week where started. Possible. Possible. This gold, everything is possible in gold. UJ coming back to the entry zone. Today on TikTok I will take off early, guys, as I don't have any proper setup. Yeah, today on TikTok I will off early because I don't have any proper setup. Guys, today I will take off from TikTok a little bit early because no proper setup. गोल्ड तेरा खक ना रहे. Oof, look at the BTC. Wow. BTC is just great. All eyes are on BTC. Just wow. Oof, Ethereum. So good. Pretty good. Okay guys, a minute guys.